The presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, don promise to chook eye proper on human capital development inside the Niger Delta area if elected on Saturday, February 25th for the president election matter. E still come tok say im go give ogbonge training to the youth of dis area for correct things wey go dey better the Niger Delta area. Obi tok dis one to newsmen when he visit Rivers State for the 5th time, say im go support those wey dey invest inside modular refineries so that the fuel importation matter to the country go waka comot from the land. Obi come tell Nigeria youth say dis time na their time to take Nigeria back if dem vote for am.
We have to work for them to benefit. We intend to put them out of poverty by ensuring that their training, education, ensure that we support them to support small businesses, support them to be involved by employment. There's so many things we can do for them. Nigeria is supposed to be an exemplary place based on their contribution to the wealth of this nation. Out-of-school children all over Nigeria will be dealt with aggressively. There's no reason why Nigerian youth should not be in school. We have universal free education. One is that subsidy must go, because presently it's organized crime and it's not sustainable. We need the resources to invest in clear development areas. That's one. Two, on the issue of refineries, we're going to ensure that we support those who are investing in refineries, especially modern refineries, in such a way that they will help us to stop fuel importation, to save our scarce foreign exchange, and be able to create jobs locally. In terms of what we're going to use it to benefit the use of Nigeria, it is a business. We are going to encourage them to go into various businesses. On what you said about amnesty, we cannot continue to just pay people without teaching them skills and encouraging them to go into proper productive ventures, to be more entrepreneurial. That's what will benefit them, because oil will be there forever. One of the laws I'm going to take to the National Assembly and pursue aggressively until it's passed is 40% affirmative action to be made a law.
Make una no forget say your PVC na your power. Make you no use am for 2k, no use am for 5 or 10 kg of rice, no kukuma use am for even rapakpakpa. Your vote na your right. From Port Harcourt, Ekata Ojeseli, TMC TV News.